We also ask everyone not to read your remarks. Just tell us in your own words how you feel about the bill and why you either support it or are against it. Our first panel is Speaker Busch, Delegate Rosenberg. Is Governor Hughes? He is on his way, so he will join the panel when he gets here. There's the governor, so we'll wait for the governor to take his seat at the panel. Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, and members of both the Appropriations and Health and Government Operations Committee. This is a bill that I feel is very important to the state of Maryland, both from a health care perspective and also an economic development perspective. As everyone knows here, we are the home of Johns Hopkins University, NIH, have over 300 bioscience companies.
Excuse me, Mr. Speaker, if you could pull that a little closer.
Yeah, thank you. 300 bioscience companies in the state of Maryland. We were one of the leading areas for biotechnology research in the country. We are the largest recipient of grants from NIH at Johns Hopkins University. And we are also a leader in healthcare delivery with areas of shock trauma and medevac and so on. Right now, there's state-of-the-art stem cell center at Johns Hopkins. As states around us start for the dollars from the private sector, Connecticut, New Jersey, California, they start to compete for these private sector dollars. They are investing state money as well because private investors want to know that states are in the forefront investing money as well. And I think it's incumbent upon Maryland to be in the forefront of what I believe will be a process for solving medical problems in the areas of Parkinson, Alzheimer's, spinal cord injuries, and others in the next century for the next generation of Marylanders and Americans and people throughout this nation and world, quite candidly. And I believe Maryland has a great role to play there. This is a narrowly drafted bill. I will leave the details of that to the sponsor of the bill. I'm very privileged to have former Governor Hughes with us today to give basically a real-life account of how he believes this will help his family and other families within the state. And I would ask, with all due respect, if I could ask Governor Hughes and then finish up with Delegate Rosenberg on the details of the legislation before we take any questions. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Governor Hughes.